Next up, Domesticated Rat for Handshake. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. In this, we need to meet the contact at Hunter's Paradise, retrieve intel, and bring it back. At the start of this quest, you're not going to have too much information, but essentially you need to head to the shack right over here next to the Sand Road to the south of Hunter's Paradise. You can only do this at nighttime. It won't work at any other time. You can only read this message under moonlight as it's written in special invisible ink. Once you've read the note, you'll find out that you have to head east, head straight east into these bushes here, and you'll find this little outpost as well. Run into the main big building, and on the table you'll find a phone. Pick it up, take it all the way back to spawn, hand in the quest. Congratulations, you're done. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.